English sentences: he or she. This is Mr. Lamb. He is a singer. He is 50 years old. This is Ken. He is a shepherd. He is old. This is Jim. He is cleaning his car. He is happy. This is Simon. He is a teacher. He is tall. This is Danny. He is my brother. He is a lifeguard. This is Perry. He is my friend. He is a delivery man. This is Freddie. He is my brother. He is happy. This is Benson. He is my grandfather. He is busy. This is Owen. He is a gardener. He is my friend. This is Kira. She is a chef. She is 20 years old. This is Jen. She is a farmer. She is hardworking. This is Lisa. She is my aunt. She is a reporter. This is Amy. She is my friend. She is busy. This is Lorraine. She is my friend. She is a chef. This is Linda. She is a vet. She likes animals. This is Christina. She is a barber. She is hardworking. This is Delia. She is a flight attendant. She is pushing a beverage cart. This is Miss Lowe. She is a teacher. She is very kind.